So if you've ever wondered where you should be putting your highlighter and how to really use it to the best advantage on your features, I just want to share with you a couple of ideas as to where you want to put it. Whatever highlighter you like to use is completely your call. There's liquid, there's cream, there's everything in between. Highlighters are going to announce the areas you want to bring attention to. So I have one here that's a cream stick. It's incredibly easy. I find it very effective, and it's got a little sponge applicator on the bottom. If you've got a really large forehead like myself, really wide, I just put it above the eyebrows to draw attention to it. If you've got a bit of a shorter forehead, then you can go across, brings attention to it. Remember, it's going to pronounce it. Along the eye socket, kind of like a crescent, is where you want to draw a little bit of attention to the eye. Again, blotting and blending. Now, not very often do we want to draw it down our nose. A little bit goes a long way, avoiding the very tip of your nose. So if you want to just draw it along the ridge of the nose a little bit, that's very acceptable. But here's the place you really do want to put it. Between your nose and the cupid bow of your lips is a wonderful location. Just add a little bit there, buff it out. You can use your finger or you can use the edge of the sponge, and that draws a lot of reflection in that little area, just bringing a little attention to the top of your lip. Now, if you've got a longer chin, I'd avoid the area. If you've got a little bit of a shorter chin, down in through here as well. So making sure that you've blended it really nicely around the eye socket, around the forehead, center of the forehead if you like, down the nose a little bit, and definitely on the cupid bow will draw a light reflection to these areas and pronounce them in a very gentle and updated way. Follow me here on my channel and on YouTube for more insights on how to keep you styled.